In answer to your question before the show, is the show really made up? Yeah. And Colin and Ryan right now are going to do a scene for us, and you guys are going to do the sound effects for the scene. Isn't that exciting? So, Giselle, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. And Jenny, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin. And they'll cue you as the sound effects. Now, the scene is Farmer Ryan and his wife, Colin, are rounding up their animals because of an approaching storm when they are amazed, when you're going to be amazed, to see a UFO landing. Take it away. Do the sound effects for Colin Ryan.
Come on, Bessie, come on!
She's sick.
She don't want to come. Maybe you can help me push her. Oh, careful! Oh. Okay, She is sick. She is. Get her in the pen.
There you go, Bessie. We better run. Boy, those storm clouds sure are mighty ominous.
I better get the...
Oh, listen, they're not that ominous, actually.
They sound like they have a secret.
Better get some chickens.
Hey, we better fix some for dinner tonight and stow them away. It's going to be a rough storm.
Okay.
Chop the head off.
All right, use the gun.
Well, looks like we got enough. You killed the cow, too. Feel that drop of rain? Hey, we ain't got no time for that.
It's not real. Good helping.
There's no time for that. Shut the gate on the barn. Barn?
You're Farmer Ryan.
No. The big door.
Oh, I'll just close it.
Back.
That cow is really sick.
Close her up.
I didn't want you to see the combination.
All right. Take the chickens inside. I'm going to get some water.
Wait, something come from the sky.
The clouds are separating.
It's the cops. Oh, we haven't done anything.
What?
We haven't done anything. It's a strange slope.
That's kind of sweet.
It is. Oh, I'll turn off the television.
The door's opening. They need some space oil on them hinges.
This could be someone from another planet. We could be the first people that it comes in contact with.
I guess we better approach it.
Squish.
Look, a small thing with a big round head and almond-shaped eyes. It's trying to talk to us.
It's using sign language.
No, it's talking.
Take us to your leader.
Oh, a tall one's quite intelligent. I don't know what's wrong with the other one.
The little one's pulling a strange weapon.
A cat. Take it easy with that.
Well, I'm just going to fire a warning shot.
Let me use my gun. That ain't gonna scare. That ain't gonna scare nobody.
Ba-boom!